Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will be seeing how to configure check-in checkout master policy in CyberArk PAM, enforce check-in checkout exclusive access as well as one-time password access. We'll be covering these two master policies. So, why exactly do we need this enforce check-in checkout exclusive access, or what exactly does this work? So, according to CyberArk's information that you can see over here, it says that in simple terms, if I have to explain, only one user at a time can access a particular target account. That means if a user is accessing this target machine and the second user wants to connect to the same machine, it'll show a lock symbol in front of the account. Why do we need this? It gives us accountability, and also it provides a granular access for this target account. So it's a very simple way to configure these policies. So I'll be showing you. So before that, first we need a target account as well as a safe. So just for this demo purposes, I'll create a safe. So I'll just create a safe called demo. You don't have to change the value of this account's version. For demo purpose, I'm just creating this. So I have a second user in my active directory called test user, which I have right here. So I'll be giving the permissions as only connect only. So create safe. So yes, the safe is created, and then we just have to onboard the account. Click on add account. So I'm going to use a Linux machine, so the demo safe that which created. So let's onboard the machine. Yep. So click on allow automatic password management because we need to do that. So click on add. Okay, the account has been successfully added. We just have to configure our master policy. So we go to policies, master policy. In this we have to click on check-in checkout exclusive access. Instead of enabling this whole master policy globally, which means all the platforms will be able to use this policy, we'll be just targeting to our platform. So we'll just add an exception. So we'll choose the platform and then we click on active, finish. As we can see, an exception has been added. If we go here, we can see it's active. So yes, so this is active. Now let's try to connect to the account and see how it works. So I'll be connecting to the target account with administrator user, which I've logged in right now. So let's click on connect. So it downloaded an RDB file. I'll access that. It's taking a little time. So it's right now connecting to the target machine. Yep. So as you can see, we have connected to the target machine. Let's click on the refresh button and we can see the lock symbol. So the target machine, it says this account has been checked out by administrator. That means the current user which I'm using is administrator. So now let's look at a different view. So let's log in with my test user and let's see what exactly happens for that user. How does that display? So I'll be choosing LDAP as my authentication. Okay, now once I logged in as a test user, I can see the same account and it's a lock symbol over there, but this time it does not say which account is being which user is being checking out this account. It says NA. So this is a small issue that we can fix. We just have to give him permissions to view the safe members inside the safe. So we can fix this immediately. We can just go back to the saves. We just click on demo save, click on members, click on the test user, manage permissions, and in here if you go to safe managing and management and monitoring, we can see the view safe members checkbox. We just check it, click on save, yes. So if you go back to the test user, click on refresh. Now as we can see, it says the account is checked out by administrator. So this is a small fix that we can do for the end users to see which user is currently using the target account. So yes, so and right now this test user cannot access his account, even though if the RDP file is being downloaded. I'll just show you the demo. So let's open this. As we can see, it says that cannot be retrieved, object is locked by administrator, please try again later. So successfully this policy is being implemented. So let's now give access to this test user to connect to this machine. So for that, the administrator user has to close the connection. He has to close the session. So once the session is closed, if we hit refresh, this is still lock button over there. And why is this lock button? So there's one downside. So if you want to release this account, you manually have to click on the three buttons and click on check-in. So this will automatically check in, but then at the same time the password also will be changed. So to until the password has been changed, this account will be locked. So this will take time upon according to your CPM policies, but for this demo purpose and to speed up the process, I'll just restart the CPM service in the backend. So the CyberArk password manager service, I click on restart. So this will immediately trigger the password change. So I'll just refresh a few times. Yes, so as we can see, the password has been changed by password manager, and we can see there's no lock symbol. So if we go back to the test user and click on refresh, so there's no lock symbol and we can directly connect to the target system. So this is how we configure checkout check-in policy for our PAM accounts. But then if you want to speed up the process, or if you want to automate the process of checking in instead of a user waiting for the original user to check in manually, we can do that two ways. So the first way would be going through the PSM way. So the PSM way would be going to the platform settings. So this time we selected Unix via SSH, this platform, so we can edit the settings over here. So if you go to UI and workflows and click on privilege session management, we can see this exclusive unlock after PSM session. The description shows below that whether the account should be unlocked by the PSM session ends. So this says that if a user, after accessing the target account and closes the session, the password would be checked in automatically. So I'll just click on yes, click on apply. Okay, the settings have been saved. So let's restart the PSM and the CPM service in the backend. So this is the CPM service. Click on PSM service as well. Okay, so now that both have been restarted, so let's try to do this demo. So I'll click on the account, click on connect. So this is currently connecting to the target machine. Okay, so let's go to the test user and hit refresh. We can see a lock symbol. Good. So let's close the session now and let's see. if that setting works. So the session is closed and we hit refresh. Yep. So exactly after closing the session, we can see the password has been checked automatically and we can connect to the machine and there is no lock symbol. So this is one way of doing it. If you want to do the second way, that is via CPM, we can do that as well. So if you go back to the settings, same platform settings, if you go back over there, platform management. So if we click on edit, go to automatic password management, and you can see there's a option called privileged account management. In this, we have to change the minimum validity period. So by default it is 60 minutes, so that 60 minutes, every 60 minutes after the password has been accessed will automatically be changed. So let's say we want that account to be account's password to be rotated every 5 minutes after the password has been accessed, or let's say we can do it 1 minute. So after 1 minute of retrieving the password, it will trigger an automatic password change. So these are the two ways that we can do it automatically. So yeah, this is how we configure checkout check-in process. So, and there's one more policy which I want to cover, which is one-time password access. So what exactly is one-time password access? This will ensure the passwords changed after each access. When a user retrieves it, the CPM initiates a password change process that will occur automatically after a predefined time frame. So this is the same minimum time frame that a password is available after retrieval. This is the same as that we just saw in the CPM settings in the platform. This will use the same variable which is applied over there. So if we put 1 minute or if we put 5 minutes, this will use the same variable to change the passwords. So let's just add the setting for the same account. Click on active, finish. So this exception has been added. If we want to check that exception, so let's go to the platforms, and if you click, see, as we can see, there's a checkout check-in process activated as well as one-time password activated. So we can disable the PSM setting which we've enabled, that is automatic session. I'll just show you PSM exclusive unlock after PSM session. We can disable this for now since we applied one-time password as well as that. So let's also change the value from 60 to, let's say, 2 minutes. So let's click on apply. Okay, good. So now let's restart the CPM and the PSM service in the backend. So yes, once they are restarted, we can just refresh this once again and click on the account, and if we click on show, since the one-time password is activated, we can see this message saying that this password is accessible only till 10:73 p.m. Right now it is 10:05. So every 2 after this date, the password will be scheduled for release and change. So right now it is not compliant. The password is not compliant since it will take 2 more minutes to rotate the password. So this is the way we activate one-time password as well as checkout check-in policies. So this will give you a greater control over your target machines as well as accountability. So if there are multiple users accessing the same target account, we can restrict them to one user at a time. So yes, this is and if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching the video. Bye.